Where I live, we need to put the bracing on the plan. So I've got objects like this, which have got my bracing on it. And here's one. So this one I made as a plugin object. You can see here it's my brace plugin object. And by changing information on the object info palette, it updates here. I also have the ability to change the line color and line weight. But this morning I was using a Windows machine and I didn't have access to my plugin object. And I realized that I could actually use a data tag to do a similar job. So here's a line, and on the line I've attached a record format. So it's got the brace ID and it's got the brace type. And that feeds from this line into this data tag. And the data tag is connected to the line, so let's stretch the length of the line. And that data tag reads the line and updates. I just thought that was a really cool use of the data tag, where you can grab information from an object, make it appear in the data tag, and basically without any programming, make the object that you want just by using the data tag. Now, if you're a member of my website or you're a member of my YouTube channel, I'm going to make a detailed movie showing exactly how I did this.